November is the last month in which you can observe the galactic center of the Milky Way, so you have to take advantage of its reduced visibility time. After November, it won't be visible until the next Milky Way season begins in around March 2025. Since the Leonids are relatively weak, that is 15 meteors per hour, and there are no good conditions, this year it will be a challenge trying to observe them. This is the Universe Factory, and let's list out all the major astro events that will take place in this month. Before we begin, quickly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for never missing single update. Find us on social media platforms. Check out their links in the description down below. The moon will be between the earth and the sun, so the bright side of the moon will be facing away from the earth. The days around the new moon are great for stargazing. The galactic center of the Milky Way will be visible during a shorter period, so this will be your last chance to observe it, or then you will have to wait until March 2025 when the next Milky Way season begins. The moon will pass 2.1 degrees to the north of Mercury at 7:37 UTC as they will appear to be closer to each other. This conjunction will take place during the daytime just after the sunrise, so won't be visible to the naked eyes. I have mentioned some interesting stargazing apps to locate celestial objects easily in the night sky. Don't forget to check out in the description. The Taurids is a long-running minor meteor shower producing only about 5 to 10 meteors per hour. The shower runs annually from September 7 to December 10, peaking this year on the night of November 4th. The first quarter moon will block out all but the brightest meteors this year. If you are patient enough, you may still be able to catch a few good ones. Best viewing will be just after the midnight from a dark location far away from the city lights. Meteors will radiate in the constellation Taurus but can appear anywhere in the sky. The moon passes 3.1 degrees to south of Venus at 12:16 am UTC as they will appear to be closer to each other. Unfortunately, this conjunction will take place below the western horizon, so won't be visible to the naked eyes. The moon will pass 5.1 degrees to the north of Saturn at 1:42 UTC as they will appear to be closer to each other. In addition to this, Saturn will go behind the moon on what's called an occultation. This conjunction cum occultation will take place just above the western horizon in the constellation of Aquarius. The moon will be located on the opposite side of the earth as the sun, and its face will be completely illuminated. This is also the last of 3 supermoons of 2024. The moon will be near its closest approach to the earth and may look slightly larger and brighter than usual. The planet Mercury will reach greatest eastern elongation of 22.5 degrees from the sun on this day. This is the best time to observe Mercury since it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the evening sky. Look for the planet low in the western sky just after the sunset near constellation of Scorpius. The blue-green planet Uranus will be at its closest approach to Earth and its face will be completely illuminated by the sun. It will be brighter than any other time of the year and will be visible all night long. This is the best time to view Uranus. Due to its distance, it will only appear as a tiny blue-green dot in all but the most powerful telescopes. It will be visible near constellation of Taurus throughout the night. Leonids is an average meteor shower producing up to 15 meteors per hour at its peak. This shower is unique in that it has a cyclonic peak about every 33 years where hundreds of meteors per hour can be seen. The last of these occurred in 2001. The Leonids is produced by the dust grains left behind by comet Tempel-Tuttle, which was discovered in 1865. The shower runs annually from November 6 to 30, peaking this year on the night of the 17th and the morning of the 18th. Unfortunately, the nearly full moon will block all but the brightest meteors this year. But if you are patient enough, you may still be able to catch a few good ones. Best viewing will be from a dark location after the midnight, away from the city lights. Meteors will radiate from the constellation of Leo but can appear anywhere in the sky. The moon will pass 5.4 degrees to north of Jupiter at 1454 UTC, as they will appear to be closer to each other. This conjunction will take place in the constellation of Taurus, but since it is happening during the daytime, it won't be visible to the naked eyes. The moon passes 2.2 degrees to the north of Mars at 2227 UTC, as they will appear to be closer to each other. This conjunction will take place just above the eastern horizon in the constellation of Cancer, so will be difficult to observe. Thanks for watching as we wrap the video up about the major astro events happening in the November 2024. From meteor showers to the conjunctions, it's a month packed with stunning sky watching opportunities. So make sure to mark your calendars and get outside to experience the wonders of the universe firsthand. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our future videos. We have got more exciting content coming up, from the space exploration updates to deep dives into the mysteries of the cosmos. Also, I would love to hear your thoughts. What event are you most excited about this November? Drop a comment below. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos. I'll be back with yet another super interesting videos for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.